Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Live Buds 3 and I'm going to tell you the top tricks of this device. And the first top trick is that we have a touch screen on our headphones itself, with which we can manage our headphones. The second top trick is that we have ANC and ambient sound in our headphones built in. The first top trick is that we have an application on both iOS and Android phones with which we can manage our headphones. The next top trick is that we have personify management, so we can adjust our volume levels and sound to our ears and hearing. The next top trick is that we have auto equalizer preset and we can create our own ones to adjust our headphones to ourselves. The next top trick is that in our application we have something called our hearing adjustness, and with this we can manage our hearing problems in our application. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.